Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a big question. How is artificial intelligence changing the way we invest? Whether you're from Gen X, a millennial, Gen Z, or even looking ahead to the future for Gen Alpha, AI is transforming how we manage our money and grow wealth. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing investment strategies across all generations. From robo-advisors to AI-powered stock trading, we'll break down the tools, trends, and risks you need to know about in this rapidly evolving landscape. Let's start by looking at how investing has evolved over the years. In the past, investing was manual and often intimidating, especially for Gen X and baby boomers. To buy or sell stocks, you had to call a broker, and stock market information wasn't as readily available as it is today. This approach required deep financial knowledge, trust in human advisors, and the patience to wait for stock reports in the newspaper. Then came millennials, who witnessed the rise of online trading platforms like E-Trade, Charles Schwab, and eventually Robinhood. These platforms made investing more accessible, lowering fees and removing the need for a broker. Now AI is pushing the boundaries even further, making investing not only easier but also smarter. Robo-advisors automated portfolio management for everyone. One of the most well-known AI-driven tools in investing is the robo-advisor. These platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and even Vanguard's robo-advisor use algorithms to manage your investment portfolio automatically. Here's how it works. You input your financial goals, risk tolerance, and timeline, and the AI takes care of the rest. It allocates your funds across diversified assets like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. What's revolutionary here is that the AI constantly monitors your portfolio, rebalancing it as market conditions change to keep you aligned with your goals. For Gen X and baby boomers who grew up relying on human advisors, robo-advisors offer a more affordable, automated alternative. For millennials and Gen Z, these platforms provide an accessible way to start investing without needing to be a financial expert. As we look to Gen Alpha, they will likely see even more sophisticated AI-driven tools managing their portfolios from the start of their financial journey. AI-powered stock trading faster, smarter decisions. Beyond robo-advisors, AI is also making waves in stock trading. Platforms like Alpaca, Quant Connect, and even hedge funds are using AI algorithms to make stock trades faster and more accurately than humans ever could. These AI systems can process vast amounts of data, analyzing market trends, financial reports, news, and even social media sentiment to predict stock movements. AI-powered trading platforms can execute trades in milliseconds, responding to fluctuations far quicker than any human trader. For millennials and Gen Z, AI-powered trading apps and platforms have opened up stock trading to a whole new level, offering advanced tools that were once reserved for Wall Street professionals. Gen Alpha will likely enter a world where AI-driven trading strategies are the norm, allowing them to compete in markets dominated by data and machine learning. Hyper-Personalization through AI. One of the most exciting ways AI is changing investing is through hyper-personalization. AI can analyze individual spending habits, financial goals, and risk tolerance levels to create a fully customized portfolio. For example, Gen X investors who are closer to retirement might prefer safer, income-generating investments, while millennials may seek a balanced portfolio with a mix of riskier stocks and safe bonds. Gen Z, on the other hand, might prefer investments in tech stocks or even cryptocurrencies. AI-driven platforms can learn from each user's financial behavior over time, continuously adjusting portfolios to reflect changing priorities. And as we move into the future, Gen Alpha's investment strategies could be even more deeply personalized. AI will be able to predict their preferences based on real-time data, adjusting portfolios automatically to maximize returns while minimizing risk. One of the most exciting ways AI is changing investing is through hyper-personalization. AI can analyze individual spending habits, financial goals, and risk tolerance levels to create a fully customized portfolio. For example, Gen X investors who are closer to retirement might prefer safer, income-generating investments, while millennials may seek a balanced portfolio with a mix of riskier stocks and safe bonds. Gen Z, on the other hand, might prefer investments in tech stocks or even cryptocurrencies. AI-driven platforms can learn from each user's financial behavior over time, continuously adjusting portfolios to reflect changing priorities. And as we move into the future, Gen Alpha's investment strategies could be even more deeply personalized. AI will be able to predict their preferences based on real-time data, adjusting portfolios automatically to maximize returns while minimizing risk. Socially responsible and impact investing. Another key trend that AI is driving is the rise of socially responsible and impact investing. AI algorithms can help investors align their portfolios with their values by selecting companies that meet certain ethical, environmental, or social standards. For Gen Z and millennials, who are already showing a preference for investments that make a positive social impact, AI will help them identify companies focused on sustainability, clean energy, and fair labor practices. AI will scan company reports, news articles, and even social sentiment to rate companies on how well they align with these goals. As Gen Alpha matures, they could have AI systems that automatically exclude companies that don't meet their personal ethical standards or prioritize those that focus on solving global challenges. AI in predicting market trends, a game changer for all investors. AI's ability to predict market trends is one of its most powerful features. Through machine learning, AI can analyze huge volumes of data from multiple sources: news headlines, historical stock data, social media, and even global events like natural disasters or political unrest. For Gen X investors, this means better tools for navigating the stock market during retirement planning. For millennials and Gen Z, it's a way to make smarter, data-driven decisions without spending hours sifting through financial reports. AI can identify trends early, allowing investors to capitalize on opportunities or avoid risks. Imagine AI detecting early signs of a market downturn and adjusting your portfolio before you even know what's happening. For Gen Alpha, this level of real-time analysis will be the standard, helping them stay ahead of the curve without needing to be constantly plugged into financial news. AI and cryptocurrency, the new frontier of investing. Cryptocurrency is already a major focus for Gen Z and millennials, and AI is playing a significant role in how we invest in digital currencies. AI can analyze the highly volatile crypto markets, predicting price fluctuations, and identifying the best times to buy or sell assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins. DeFi, or decentralized finance. Platforms like Aave and Compound are already using AI to automate lending, borrowing, and yield farming in crypto markets. This new financial ecosystem operates outside traditional banks and gives younger generations more control over their money. For Gen Alpha, cryptocurrency and AI-driven DeFi platforms will be much more mainstream, likely offering them new ways to save, invest, and even spend their money without ever stepping foot in a traditional bank. AI will help manage these portfolios, minimizing risk in an unpredictable market and maximizing returns by analyzing real-time blockchain data. While AI offers many benefits, it also comes with its risks. One major concern is data bias. If the AI models are trained on biased or incomplete data, they can make poor investment decisions. It's essential to remember that AI isn't perfect. It relies on the data it's fed. Another risk is market instability caused by high-frequency trading. AI-driven platforms can execute trades in milliseconds, and when too many trades happen too quickly, it can cause market volatility. This is something investors of all generations will need to be mindful of. Finally, as more people rely on AI for financial decisions, cybersecurity will become a significant concern. Financial data is highly sensitive, and AI platforms must have strong security protocols to protect users' information from hackers and fraud. Financial literacy will evolve as AI takes on a bigger role in investing. For Gen X and older investors, learning how to incorporate AI into their existing strategies will be crucial. Millennials and Gen Z are already familiar with using technology to manage money, but they'll need to deepen their understanding of how AI systems work to make the most of these tools. For Gen Alpha, financial literacy will include understanding AI algorithms, interpreting real-time data, and making informed decisions based on AI recommendations. While AI will automate much of the investing process, human knowledge and decision-making will still be essential. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we invest, across all generations. Whether you're using a robo-advisor to manage your portfolio, relying on AI to trade stocks, or investing in cryptocurrencies, AI is making investing smarter, faster, and more accessible. For Gen X millennials and Gen Z, AI offers new opportunities to optimize their financial strategies, and for Gen Alpha, AI-driven investing will be the norm. But with these advancements come risks, and financial literacy is more important than ever to ensure we're making the most of this powerful technology. What do you think about AI in investing? Are you excited or concerned about the future? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on how technology is changing the world of finance. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the healthcare industry. See you next time.